You wanna be gritty? You wanna know where America's heartbeat is?
I mean, wait, is this person dating Sean McVay?
This failed lane switch leads to a 3-car collision. Thankfully, there were no serious injuries reported. The camera is currently dealing with his insurance. They're allegedly claiming that this is a 50-50 split. Do you agree or disagree with insurance's ruling? The camera wanted to share this clip to show how life can change in an instant. The semi-truck lost control, clipping the camera, causing another car to spin out and a pile up on the highway. The other driver failed to yield properly, causing this crash. Thankfully, there were no injuries and there were only minor damages to the camera's truck. This Honda driver allegedly lied to insurance, claiming that he was going the speed limit and the camera rammed into him. Thanks to dashcam footage, the Honda driver was at total fault.
Is for unofficial social media censors to stop the distribution of information. And he's saying that's not the government. He's right.
The truck driver used the turn lane to skip traffic, but did so right in front of the karma cop, resulting in him not only losing time, but getting some hard-earned justice as well. Collision totaled both vehicles. The driver that hit the camera was at fault. The camera admits that this was his fault and he should have been paying more attention. Since there were no damages to the other person's car, she didn't exchange insurance. After a short, lengthy pursuit, the driver that hit the camera claimed that he quote-unquote thought he hit a curb. Thanks to dashcam footage, the other driver was at fault. It's pretty clear that the Ford truck driver was distracted. The truck driver that rear-ended the camera earned himself some hit-and-run charges by fleeing the scene.
When Jim Jordan busted in, do you remember this?
Yes.
We talked about that?
Yes.
Well, evidently, he did end up getting a picture of something that was sensitive, and then that was like spread all around, and then everyone's like, you are truly an idiot. And again,
The driver supposedly claimed that he had a green, but in reality had a red. Running this red light causes collision, causing both vehicles needing a tow. Thankfully, there were no injuries reported.
Whoa! I saw that happen. Oh my god, I think the guy's gonna run off.
The Volkswagen Golf driver aggressively changed lanes across the entire width of the freeway and crossed double white lines into the HOV lane. They almost hit another vehicle. The Golf swerved right and hit the pickup truck instead.
On top, but they do have all the small things.
I had to have a cut through before finishing this video, but it's not over yet. The Mustang driver blew through one, causing this wreck. Here you'll notice the driver trying to evade arrest here in Texas.
Exit. Yes.
No, not yet. They're not gonna leave us alone until we get like 8 more minutes. Then we'll be driving great place.
They just gonna leave us alone or they're not gonna catch us.
Get in the other lane.
Take them downtown. Let's give them hoes a run for their money since they wanna keep on playing.
They wanna have fun, let's have fun.
Run it. It.
Nah, keep switching the cars that you're doing.
Switching lanes on them.
Go all the way to the west. Switch lanes, switch lanes.
About 10 of them.
There's about 10 of them hoes behind us. They try to throw out the spikes already. We got away from them. Fuck that. I ain't going to the county. Not for 2 counts of harboring the future. Fuck no.
NACCAD or whatever? Or Bayfront?
Go, go, go.
Which way?
This way, this way, this way.
Get off?
Yeah, no, go, go. You should have went that way.
I say, let me get off.
Yeah, pass up that car, pass up the car.
Oh, there's another one.
Oh.
Follow us. I'm telling
Run the red light. Fuck it.
you. Run the red light, yeah. Run the red light.
Oh, we almost caused the red to be in trouble.
That's reckless driving.
They just need to fucking leave us the fuck alone. Be careful, B. Watch out.
They fucking popped my tire.
Really?
Yeah. I literally have 0 pressure.
The camera and her friend tried to evade arrest and Facebook Lived the whole thing. As you can clearly see, trying to flee arrest is a terrible idea and never ends well. They're not seriously injured, but they are seriously in trouble with the law.